everyone. Thank you for coming here and involving in this activity, what we are doing here. And this is a great organization. This is not non-profit organization that we are talking about. వేరే ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్ కు విభిన్నంగా ఇది ఆర్గనైజేషన్ స్టార్ట్ చేసిండ్రు వీళ్ళు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు ద రూట్స్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ఓన్ విలేజెస్, యువర్ ఓన్ టౌన్స్ అండ్ యువర్ ఓన్ స్టేట్స్. సో మీరు ఎంత ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయితే అంత బెటర్ ఉంటుంది. ఎవ్రీబడి లైక్ మీ, I don't have connections. I lost a lot of connections from my village. Now I'm re-establishing those connections because I'm at a stage where I'm going to retire in the next couple of years. So when I go back, there is nobody to, go to. So this is an organization where it will put a lot of people in connection with hundreds of people in the particular district or in towns. So we are also launching district chapters to launch చేస్తున్నాము. So we are trying to connect every district. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నోళ్ళు ఎవ్రీ డిస్టిక్, ఏ డిస్టిక్కి సంబంధం ఉన్నోళ్ళు వాళ్ళు. సో యూ కెన్ టైం ఒకటే కాదు, టైమ్, మనీ, వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ వాంట్ టు కాంట్రిబ్యూట్. ఐఎమ్ 100% sure that your money will go to the best cause. So please do whatever you need to do. So connect to your villages, connect to your districts, and then when you go back, when you retire, when you go back, you can take your children and tell them that this is where I was born, this is the school that I went to, and everything. So we need to uplift those schools. Lot of schools needs lot of support. In my particular districts also, they need lot of support. So schools lo unnai, schools manam we are in this country, we are privileged to have these opportunities that we are sending to best of the best schools, best of the best colleges for our kids. So in the same way, they are also our kids. So we little bit, whatever we can do, please do, so that they can, uplift themselves and then come back here and then do wonders for their own families, their own cities, their own towns. So please do whatever you need to do. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And I know just 2 more minutes more.